Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is Le Creuset 5-quarter enamel cast iron pot. I really like the fact that it cooks evenly. You know, with shrimp, you have to be really fast because if not, it can cook more in one part of the pot than the other, but with this one, it cooks evenly. So I don't have to worry about uncooked shrimp. And also, my pasta can be evenly cooked, and it contains the heat for much longer than any other pot. I added some mozzarella when I was done with the pasta. I left it there for a few minutes and it was done. The fact that it's a 5-quarter pot is convenient for a family, it's easy to clean. I don't have to spend hours cleaning it. You can see with soap and water and it was ready. And also the red is super distinct of Le Creuset. You cannot miss it. If you see this, you know it's Le Creuset. And that's my point of view.